Introduction. Often, rolling resistance of materials used for haul road construction is misunderstood or overlooked. Most times, mines opt to use waste to build or cap haul roads when there are better materials within geological and economic limitations. A rolling resistance test can be performed to determine the effects of deformation with 3 different materials, therefore defining the optimal material for haul road construction. For safety materials, in this lab we are wearing steel-toed boots, lab coats, gloves, and goggles. This test is being completed at a 1/15th scale with the use of scale vehicle, calibration testbed, mini crane scale, and test beds containing the materials being tested. Our vehicle is 600 pounds with a 150 payload totaling 210 pounds. This weight is calculated using cube root scaling, making our test vehicle equivalent to a Caterpillar 798 or a Komatsu 730 haul truck with a weight of roughly 715,000 pounds. Rolling resistance can also be expressed as a slope. Therefore, to determine the rolling resistance which applies to a certain force, we have to first find the relationship between these 2 aspects. In this case, we will be using the calibration bed to record the different forces at different slopes to find their corresponding rolling resistances. Set the calibration bed to its first inclination and record the rise and run, then pull the vehicle steadily along the bed, keeping an eye out for the most consistent output force and making sure the cable is parallel to the bed. Repeat this pull test 3 times for each of the 4 inclinations, and find the relationship between rolling resistance and force using a graph. For the test itself, we have 3 different materials we will be comparing: coal, sand, and limestone. First, we ensure the test beds are level, then set the vehicle at the end of the test bed, pull it steadily across the bed as we did in the calibration portion of the test, and repeat this process for each of our test materials at least 3 times to observe how compaction impacts rolling resistance. Now it is time for you to analyze the data.